disability, train people with disability on climate-smart agriculture waste recycling. The Center for Citizens with Disability, in collaboration with Abia State Commission for the Welfare of Disabled Persons as Trained Persons with Disabilities in Abia State on climate-smart agriculture, waste recycling, and environmental conservation. The 2 days capacity building workshop held in Abia State aims at equipping people with disability with skills to enhance their economic empowerment while strengthening their resilience against climate change. The chairman of Abia State Commission for the Welfare of Disabled Persons, Mr. David, who also served as assistant to the governor of people with disability, underscored the need to remove barriers preventing people with disability from participating in climate adaptation efforts. He commended CCD and Governor Alex Otti for their commitment to fostering inclusivity in economic activities. Dr. Donatus Onu, a senior lecturer at Michael Opara University of Agriculture, Unedike, led discussion on climate-smart agriculture, emphasizing that PWD can improve their livelihood through sustainable farming techniques. He urged participants to develop skills that will make them resilient farmers rather than allow their disability to limit their potential.